Magneto Ignition System. In this video, we are watching the Magneto Ignition System. Now, see the main parts are condenser, contact breaker, stationary armature, secondary winding, spark plug, and rotating magnet. Working of Magneto Ignition System. In this video, we are watching the working of Magneto Ignition System. When magnets turns, the direction of the magnetic flux of the coil reverse direction. Magnetic field produced varies from a positive maximum to a negative maximum and back again. Due to this, a voltage is included in the primary and secondary windings. But the change of flux is not rapid to induce required voltage to overcome the resistance of air gap in the spark plug.